Welcome back. We were tracking a very active weather day. Forecaster Guy Tannenbaum here in for Justin Bruce. Chilly temperatures to start out your Thursday. 43 in Summerlin, almost 50 on the east side, 44 in Henderson, and 46 in Las Vegas. The sun's starting to peek through the clouds as we take a live look from our station camera. Our weather planner today will show you strong winds throughout most of the day today. We're seeing temperatures increase to the 50s right around 10 o'clock today and stay in the 50s all throughout the afternoon and rest of the evening, but we're very windy with gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour, and that's what we're starting with here on our Day Planner Plus. Our first headline, very windy today, and in about 15 minutes we're seeing this wind advisory kick in until 10 o'clock tonight. Areas on your screen shaded in that brown orangish color, including Clark County, Lincoln County, Nye County, western Arizona, and eastern California. We're expecting gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour and sustained winds anywhere between 20 and 30 miles an hour. It's going to be very windy, so we expect lots of blowing dust impacting visibility, strong crosswinds on our roads today, especially if you have a high-profile vehicle, and possible power outages. Again, because this is sustaining all the way through tonight and into tomorrow. Let's take a look at our sustained winds over the next 12 hours, picking up here this morning at 23, staying around 25 miles an hour the rest of the afternoon and into your dinner time. It's going to be very windy. Let's show you our wind gusts starting in 15 minutes. You can see wind gusts starting to pick up. We're stopping it at the lunch hour. 35 in Centennial Hills, 36 in Summerlin, a little bit calmer down towards the southeast, but staying very strong through the 5 o'clock hour at dinner time. Almost 40 miles an hour for your gusts at Red Rock Canyon. Very gusty up at Lee Canyon if you have any plans to head up and enjoy the snowfall up there. Staying strong through the overnight hours, but we're seeing it start to calm down ever so slightly tomorrow, then calm down substantially Saturday and into Sunday. Also tracking brief morning showers. Let's take a look at our rain chances over the next 12 hours. We expect that to be at 30% here at 7 o'clock, calm down and stay dry through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. Desert Doppler showing us we're seeing precipitation start to increase from the leading edge of that cold front. Zooming in on southern Lincoln County and northern Clark County, we're starting to see the showers approaching. We expect about 1 inch to 3 inches up in the Spring Mountains today, and very light rain here in southern Nevada. Light accumulations, but as this system has continued to evolve, it started to increase. So I expect to see some rain showers here in the valley, the north parts of the valley in the northwest, in about an hour or so. But a bulk of this precipitation going to miss us towards the northeast, towards southwestern Utah and northeastern Clark County, like Mesquite, into the Virgin River Gorge area through the I-15 corridor. We're seeing, again, mostly clear skies throughout the rest of the day today and into tomorrow. But the wind and the cold front is keeping our temperatures very cool into the weekend. Daytime highs today in southern Nevada, 55 in Las Vegas, 49 in Indian Springs, staying at 47 in Beatty, and we expect it to be a lot chillier overnight tonight. 36 here in Las Vegas, but the wind chill will keep it anywhere between 5 and 10 degrees cooler than that. So bundle up today and tomorrow. We're keeping our temperature at 52 tomorrow, near freezing overnight Friday into Saturday, but beyond that we'll be warming up, knocking on the door of 70 by Wednesday, if you can believe it.